Our word for today is SARUK. SARUK. It's like this. It's a cat. Okay. So we have 1, 2, and 3 consonants. Sin, sa is written as sin. Then we have ra. This is how you write ra. And then ka. Then for the bodies, we write them from left to right. Okay, so first we have sin. Its bodies is a, so it should be above. So sa. Then ra. Ra, its bodies is u, so we write tapan, ru, and lastly kap, and we write it at the end. It has no vowel sound, so we simply add the baris patay or mono. Saruk. Now, if we spell this as sin hataas sa, ra dapan ro, saro, mono pakap, ruk, saruk. Now, ra is one of the 4 letters that you cannot connect another letter after. What are they? Adro, alif, dal, ra, and waw. So ra is here, so you cannot connect another letter after, but it can be connected to another letter, which is sin. So we can connect the sin and ra. This is how you do it. Sin and then ra. Then we have ka. That's how you write. We add the baris. So sin, ra, sin yung atas sa, ra dapan ro, mono kap, ruk, saruk. So this is how you write saruk in Sulat Sūg.